Have you ever felt like you're doing all the right things, following your workout program, tracking your macros, getting your steps in, but something's still missing? That's exactly where I was until I discovered the hidden key that literally changed everything. What if I told you that the missing piece isn't another workout program or meal plan? What if the secret to unlocking your body's true potential has been with you all along? Hey Fit Fam, I'm Chantel, your guide to whole body transformation through the power of whole foods and mindful movement. I am super passionate about helping you discover that true health isn't just about numbers, it's about feeling vibrant, strong, and absolutely amazing in your beautiful skin. If you're ready to transform your health journey, then stick around because I have got you covered. For the past 5 months, I've been on a journey that has completely transformed my approach to both fitness and health. And today, I'm going to share the game-changing discovery that's made everything from my workouts to my nutrition choices not just easier, but deeply meaningful. And that is the insane power of the mind-body connection. Now stay with me. One of the things I realized is that it shows up in so many different ways throughout your health and fitness journey. For example, during workouts, it starts with feeling each muscle expand and contract. Instead of just going through the motions, you start to sense exactly how your body responds to every movement. This incredible awareness is like turning on the lights in a room you've been exercising in the dark. But it doesn't stop there. This mind-body connection extends to how you fuel your body. You start noticing how different foods affect your energy, your mood, and even your recovery. That afternoon slump after a heavily processed lunch, that morning energy after a protein-rich breakfast, yeah, that's your body communicating with you. And then there's the rest and recovery piece. You start to recognize the subtle signals that your body sends about when to push harder and when to ease back. That slight muscle fatigue, that dip in motivation, these aren't just obstacles, baby. They're your body communicating with you. When you develop this kind of awareness, it's like learning a brand new language, the language your body's been speaking to you all along. And let me tell you, this awareness, it has been an absolute game changer. Let me show you what I mean. When I'm doing this exercise, I'm not just moving through the motions, I am actively feeling my muscles work. I'm noticing how my body positions itself, how my breathing changes, and even how every single thing connects. But when I realized and truly understood that the mind-body connection isn't just about better form or stronger muscles, listen, it has opened up this whole new world of movement for me. I have started exploring things like calisthenics and even animal movements, and I am blown away. Really, because our bodies are so capable of so freaking much, so much more than we actually give them credit for. And now all I want to do is dive deeper and soak it all in. Here is the biggest thing that changed everything for me. Are you ready? This is it. I stopped seeing my health and fitness as separate boxes to check off. It sounds easy, but hear me out. Instead of working out because my program said I have to work out, or instead of eating certain foods because I need to meet certain macros, I really started to understand how deeply every single thing is connected. When you start viewing your body as one interconnected system, everything shifts. Those healthy meals, they're not just about hitting numbers, they're fuel for every cell in your body, supporting your strength, your energy, and your recovery. Those workouts, listen, they're not just about getting stronger. They're not about toning up and getting all shredded. They're about creating resilience in every aspect of your life. The benefits, oh my God, the benefits of this mindset shift have been incredible for me. My energy levels have skyrocketed. My sleep has improved dramatically. And instead of always looking for those big transformations like I was in the past, I'm really noticing and celebrating the small changes in my body. Most important, everything feels easier because it has purpose and meaning. And that has been, oh my gosh, mind-blowing, mic drop. I don't even know how else to word that, but look, When we're really connected to our bodies, we move better, we recover faster, and we stay stronger longer. So, how can you start developing this connection? I have 3 really easy tips. Ready? The first one is start with awareness. During your next workout, focus on feeling the specific muscles you're using. Notice how they contract and relax. That's simple. Next up, breathe intentionally. Your brain is like a bridge between your mind and your body. Try coordinating your breathing with your movements. Third, get curious about new movements. Try different ways of moving like yoga, animal flows, jumping rope, whatever. The key is to stay playful and exploratory. Look, the mind-body connection isn't about perfection. It's about developing this beautiful relationship with your body that grows stronger every single day. And when you start listening to your body and moving with intention, you're not just building physical strength, you're actually creating a foundation for lasting vitality. Why don't you drop a comment below and let me know what's one way you've noticed your mind and body working together in your beautiful health and wellness journey? I would love to know. If you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you click that notification bell because all of that really supports my channel and it means the world to me. I will see you next time.